Hey, good morning. Today I want to mount these cameras. I'm thinking something like this so that I can see the doorway and out on the porch. If I put it here, I can see the doorway, but not out on the porch. So I'm going to put it there. Now these cameras have a gimbal that have two axes, this and this, but you use a combination of the two to get whatever angle you need. So I'm actually going to just tighten it a little, wait till I get it up there. This is like an aluminum clad. I'm going to use self-tapping wood screw assortment from Harbor Freight. I use about 1.25 inches. Okay, there's an existing hole, so I'm going to put it right here. There's a slot for the cable. You want to put that down, of course. Now I'm just going to put one screw in there to hold it until I get it right. There's also another one here that lets you spin the camera. So it's kind of a tight fit, to be honest with you. There's 3 screws I've got to tighten to get this in place. I couldn't do one of them good. There we go. Not real happy with that, but I'm gonna have to wait and see it on the monitor. I'm hoping to get an angle down this way and an angle down this way. We'll have to wait and see if that happens. So I'm gonna try to hide the wires. Bring it up here and up into this. Mounting the camera is actually pretty easy, but it says it's wireless, but you still have to have power. So you think, oh, wireless is going to be easy to hang up. Well, it's not, because you got to get power. And power on your porch is a funny thing. People don't really have it there. And there you can see the light fixture. I'm going to go up and get power. I'm sure the shot isn't going to be the greatest, but I pulled the ring down on this light. I'm going to put the power adapter through the ring, put the ring back up in. So how I'm getting power in there is one of these. Now this was here when I bought the house, and I'm just going to reuse it. Wasn't anything plugged into it. Not sure why they had it out here, but this will plug into it. And then light bulb will go in here. There's the light bulb LED, of course. If you put this in here with an incandescent, it'll get too hot for that. An LED doesn't get very hot on the bulb, but it does get a little hot here, but not enough to bother that. So I'm pretty happy with that. I'm most concerned about what you can see when you walk up to the door, and that's what you'll see. You'll know it's there, which is great, but it won't look too bad. There's just the one cable showing, and I don't have a good way to hide that. Okay, so let's do the other camera, and then we'll look at the main system. Okay, second camera. Now, these are the lights I bought, and we have some colored lights. And I put an outlet down here for those. There's an extension cord that runs to this. So I'm going to run power off of that. And here again, these are wireless, but power can be inconvenient. Now in this case, I don't want to know who's at this door, because just about anybody can get through this door. It's locked on the inside with this, but it's kind of minor. The main door, I can point straight at it. And this isn't, they're French doors that lead onto the sun deck, so they're not outside doors, so I actually have a little bit of an advantage. Let's try to get it to the right place. The way an antenna works is where it points is the least signal. Radiates sideways, not to the point. So if you turn it straight up, it's going to go sideways and hit the receivers. So this looks pretty good. Of course, I have to try it. Now, while I have an advantage in that power's close, I have a disadvantage because I have a very long cable. Not a perfect solution, obviously. So there we go, second camera. So we need to go to the console and see what we actually got. So as you can see, this is a very small screen. but it does show what it's supposed to. It's kind of like a video doorbell, so you can talk through the cameras. So there's the installation of the cameras. On the next video, we'll go over how to use the control panel, how to talk to people, how to record, how to view what's been recorded. So if you like the videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.